snow.
Yeah,
Apparently.
he does. Bubba's taking a potty.
Oh,
Oh.
he's so cute. He was just like, he's like in the snow right there. He's like,
Wow, so pretty.
look at the icicles.
How'd you guys sleep?
Good. I don't know how I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, you have to undo your shoes. So I'm trying to tell the boys that we have proper snow gear for everybody in the family. Because me, if I'm cold, I want to go home. This part of it goes on the outside. So I'm having them fix it so we don't get wet toes. All right, we got one man sorted and figured out.
I'm an Obama snowman.
You got your jacket, Bubba? Let me see. You need help? I got mine on. All right, take off your gloves so it will go on better, okay? Let me see these real quick. We have to make sure the gear is right for these kids because if they get wet socks, it's like a wrap, in my opinion. Like wet socks when it's cold outside. Hold your sleeves. Hold your sleeves. Ready? This is a hand-me-down from your boys, Bubba.
Bye.
Put this on. Okay. You guys, our electricity went out last night again when we were sleeping. We weren't like two-phased because we were sleeping, you know, but it did go out last night and a little bit dark around here, but that's all right. Okay, you're good to go, Bubba. He's been dying to go outside. I don't want it. Okay, listen. Listen, all three of you guys, don't throw snow at people's faces, okay? This is all that they wanted to do was just come out here. Titus loves the snow. I thought it was snowing again already, but it's actually not. It's just snow's falling from the tree. So I'm just gonna go out here and check everything out. Oh, Ryan had to plow, like hand shovel snow out of the driveway along with our friend Tyler. He helped too, but got the SUV on. You're gonna what? Oh, be careful. What? Holy cow. They've got the skis up here, SUVs on. It's pretty. Tyler, you know that it's cold and you forgot your shirt inside. Do you want me to grab it for you? But did you guys leave your wipers up like this? Ah, see, so apparently this is a white people thing because I don't know this stuff.
It could make sense, so I gotta assume it's correct.
That's where we're staying. It's cute. Oh wow, they did plow all this. We're aiming for a better day today. We're not gonna get stuck anywhere. Look at how gorgeous this is. And here we found a creature in his own habitat. Hello, creature.
Hi.
I told you to put your topi on, Bubba. Your beanie's getting wet. Put your topi on over. Because I'm not going over there, Bubba. Mommies are not made for that.
I'm not coming to you.
Okay.
So what mode is that? Low and 4. Going into mountainous.
Good job, guys. That worked. This is what we had to go through, but it's fine. Everything's fine. Look at how much snow is on our vehicle. Hello, family! And we're on the road. How exciting. We're gonna go to a ski resort.
Did we come? This is what we came down?
No. No. Oh, maybe. Remember the car was making a funky noise? Yeah, it is. We got stuck over here last night, you guys. So, right where this car is. So we came down from the right side and we got stuck right there. So we know exactly where we are. Okay, I take that back. That was a complete lie. Driver over here doesn't even need navigation. That's how familiar he is with the area. He's like, oh, this one, wait, we got it. So he went through all of the roads and stuff. And how far away did you live, right? I know you live in Strawberry, yeah?
Wait, from Dodge, it's 1 mile.
1 mile away from Dodge, which is where we're going. So this is like his cuts. Is this where the lion? No, not the lion. The bear chased you?
Yeah, absolutely. Yes.
So if you guys watched our Yosemite Fall, the lower falls when we went hiking and stuff for like 20 seconds and almost died. And hyperventilated.
See, it is half price because of hot
What's a
wax.
huh?
Hot wax at Dodge is $10. That's $5. So
What's hot wax?
For skis.
Oh, I thought it was like a massage.
Something to drink. That's why
Yeah.
I'll take it for half price.
Oh.
I wonder if I caught that. All of this just fell from the top to here. Holy cow, that was amazing. Husband talk, the kids talk, enjoying our time, and I'm just like, put my hands in my pocket, just chilling, right? And guess what I pull out? Hand warmers. At some point in my life, I decided, you know what? Let's put hand warmers in ski jackets or snow jackets. Because what other time would you like really need it? So, cheers to Roselynn. Okay, guys, we've entered Dodge Ridge, but you see the cars on the right side of us. There was cars way back there also, so these are all parking spots that are taken. So I think what Ryan is probably going to do is drop us off. Look at the car colors though, they're all like, there's no red cars. What's up with that?
There's no blue cars.
There's a lot of white cars. It's interesting. Alice, where's your jacket, Bubba? Okay, in the trunk. Okay, so we got out. We're gonna unload here, and then Ryan's gonna find a parking spot. You don't have to zip it up or anything because it's pretty warm.
All right. 4G.
You do?
Yeah.
See, so we have it down there, but we don't have it here. So we'll Tyler and Ryan are together, and then me and you are together. So
We have reception.
All right, guys. They let me hold the baby.
Oh.
Hey, and then party stuff.
These kids are gonna go play. Are you ready?
It's like
You ready? All right. Down you go. Take your boys. Am I ready? Whoa! Look at Mr. Sci Guy. Is this what you wanted for your birthday?
Can I make a snow angel?
Absolutely. That's cool, Bubba. You guys, the one thing as a parent is seeing your kids happy. Like, I don't like being cold. I'd rather be, you know, in the cabin reading a book over just a fire. But coming out here and seeing my kids just having the time of their life, you can't put a price on it. Granted, like, this is a memorable thing. This is what Silas wanted for his birthday, but just seeing them just have a blast, it's just beautiful. Ready, go!
It worked better last time.
It did. Incoming! This is the first year the twins have outgrown their jackets, so they get new ones. So then Silas and our friend's daughter Layla is wearing the twins jacket, which is crazy that we kept all of it. But so I stole her, only to realize I gotta go pee. And I think that's why she said I could have her. All right, girlfriend,
Apparently, I can't go potty with you in here.
I'll take you. I'll take you.
Good thing I'm not alone. So let's figure this out. You gotta get out, bro. Alright, so Ryan came to get skiing stuff, but we have a, thanks to my sister-in-law, she packed like an entire bag of snacks for them. Open it back up. You guys are gonna share that again. Wait. Your brother already has one. I don't think you guys are gonna eat a whole one each. Huh?
I would.
Yeah, I have more snacks too. Bubba, what are you gonna do? Bubba, what are you gonna do? Play the drums, of course. You're gonna go ski? Excuse me. We got a half geared up Bubby, half geared up twins, and Ryan also. We're gonna go get them skis now. Are you excited, Sai? Yeah, we got 2 thumbs up. So we're looking into these, but they gotta get them fitted. So this is 100% Ryan's department. Are you excited about skiing? Yeah. Look at the size of your skis, Bubba. They're tiny. You excited? I'm so excited for you. Are you excited? Yeah. You get like a bonus because this is what Silas wanted to do for his birthday. But you get to because you're a sibling, you know? All right, ready to ski? Let's go. Where is that? Hi, girl.
I saw a picture. Oh, I love it.
My mom's walking book.
Oh, and your dad? I love it. It's really pretty. You like the head?
Where is that?
I'm gonna go try something
You got this, baby.
You won't.
Is that a
Papa!
green today?
Everything's orange.
Orange?
Yes.
Yeah, everything's orange.
I know. The ski guy was so pushy for those.
Okay, Papa will fix it in a second. Go, Bubba, go! This is so sweet. Uh-oh. Kind of stresses me out watching my kids, though.
Why are you so long? You got stuck again. Who got stuck? Why? You got stuck?
Later, after Ryan's instructions. how to stop, remember? There you go. Good job. Alright, watch where you're going. Oh my god, you can't run. Good job, Bubba. Alright, Silas is taking a nap. Jonah, stay out of his way. He doesn't know how to stop or anything.
Boys, you guys having a good time?
Yeah.
You shredding?
Yeah.
Love it.
Whatever that means.
Coming off their lift for their second time. They're doing it together. Twin power. And success. Almost, yeah, success. They're standing. What's up, dudes? You guys having a good time? We can wait for Mr. Tyler.
Slowly but surely is all I'm about.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Slow and steady.
There you go. Okay. So what do you guys think? Yeah. Yeah? You having fun? Yeah. Yeah. Got my little powder hounds, my shred hounds, my shred dogs.
I'm gonna take off my glasses. It's so blue!
Sun's trying to poke through, but
Oh my god.
what's up?
It's blue. Unless it's supposed to look blue.
Yep, she's bombing. So I was just telling the boys, this is Face Rock here at Dodge Ridge. I've done flips off of this thing. I've launched off of it. I've come down the middle. I've skied all over this mountain, but they were pretty surprised. But we're pretty much at the face of the mountain. So check it out, guys. Look, that's again. There's Face Rock. Nice little cliff that you can jump off of. And here we are at nearly the summit of Dodge Ridge, and the sun's trying to kind of poke through. It's a beautiful day. Absolutely gorgeous day. There's Tyler and Jonah behind us. We got Kai and Rye, top of the sky. And gonna end the day nice. The boys like it enough that they want to do it again tomorrow. So you say you love it? Nice. You guys are skiing so well. Just a couple of pointers. We are in the POW, but we made it all the way up the hill. Now we're making it all the way down the hill. You good? Get your skis. There you go. Anywho, as I was saying, these guys are doing great. After a few pointers, they're already making great transitions, learning how to turn. Keep leaning forward, bud. You gotta stay leaning forward. Whoa. Great transitions. Keep leaning forward. There you go. Smooth. Good work, dude. You all right? Okay. Move your skis downhill and flat and vertical. I love it. We're literally the last off the hill. Ski patrol's doing a sweep behind us. We're just taking our time, just enjoying it, having fun.
I know you needed to, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day.
All right.
Let's celebrate.
Did you have a good time, boys?
Call it a day.
Yeah. It's 5:17 p.m. We're putting the skis on top and everything. I'm headed back to the cabin. I'm gonna share their experience with you guys very shortly. We're getting nice and toasty by the fire over here. Hey Kai, what'd you think of skiing?
Yeah.
You wanna go again?
Yeah. I
Like-
want to go again tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah. But we gotta check out of the Airbnb and we don't know what to do with Titus. We can't just leave him in the car. He's not gonna do well with that, so. You had a good time?
Yeah.
You think you have the concept down?
Sort of.
Yeah. You need a little bit more practice, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Is that hot when you touch it?
Yes.
What do you think?
I liked it. I
You
loved
did-
it.
You loved it? You ready to go back tomorrow? Yeah, if you had a chance. Yeah, I know. Malachi's like, wait, can I go back tomorrow? They actually enjoyed it very, 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 very much. Bubba.
I thought you meant with this.
Look at Bubba's hair. Oh, thank you.
He's outside.
Bubba, what happened to your hair? Mr. Bubba tried to go skiing and he gave up, huh? You're already in PJs. Look at you, Mr. Cozy Rosie. Oh, yeah. What happened? What happened with skiing? What? Do you have anything to say?
I'm tired.
We are back in the cabin. I had a good time. I'll be honest, I was a little bit stressed out on like the drive and stuff, but Ryan was the complete opposite of being stressed out. He was just like, I'm just chilling because I'm made for this area. So it is what it is. It's good to be home. We're just gonna enjoy the rest of the evening by the fire. So, and then figure out dinner, which we already have here. We packed everything. So, and just chill.